Hello everyone, welcome to this live stream, and today in this live stream we're gonna explore the Windows 11. Yes my friends, today in this video we're gonna explore the Windows 11. Okay, now in previous video I simply reviewed the software Windows 11. Now today we are gonna explore it. Now this is my main computer. In my main computer I've installed Windows 11 leaked version and it is running buttery smooth without any issues. Now today we are gonna explore the Windows 11 in a work VMware player because we are gonna do in it. Okay, in here we need to power on this virtual machine. Oh, here we go. Okay, VMware, yes. As you can see guys, this is the new Windows 11 boot logo. Windows 11 boot logo is now the Microsoft logo, as you can see here. And the booting time is normal as Windows 10, no changes in booting time as well. Now in virtual machines, Windows 11 would lag and hang because it needs more RAM and memory to show animations, because there are a lot of animations in Windows 11 in the taskbar, in the start menu, everywhere. It is hanging here, so we need to wait for some time to boot it. Yeah, yep, we are in the login screen. It is logging up. Let's wait for a little bit while, and then we are gonna start exploring Windows 11. We'll get this new login background screen as well, which looks nice and beautiful. Oh man, come on, please go into desktop. Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay, we are in the desktop and everything is still loading, so need to wait for some time again. Man, what is this? So everything is booting up here, as you can see. Okay, we heard the startup sound as well, and that's it. We have booted Windows 11. Now you know that Windows 11 has this new taskbar, new start button icon, and the new start menu. These features are already known. We already know these are all the features. Now we can explore advanced features. Now in the search bar, let's type control panel. Okay, yeah. Okay, we typed the control panel. Let's open it up. And here in the control panel, in the Baidu website, in the Chinese website, there was a leaked photo that in control panel you would get the dialer. Let's check it now, because everyone is telling that there is the dialer which was introduced in Vista or later. Let's type in dialer. I think it is not available in Windows 11, but there is some features in control panel now. The new icons are introduced here, as you can see. Now there is the first feature that now if you want to search the old school control panel and like that legacy console applications such as group policy editor, it will be in this section called Windows Tools. If you go to Windows Tools, it would redirect to you in this separate window, in which you will get all of these legacy console applications which was introduced in Windows Vista or later, such as character map, command prompt, component services, computer management control panel, defrag and optimize drives, disk cleanup, event viewer, ICSCI initiator, local security policy, ODBC data sources, and these are all the legacy console applications which were introduced in Windows Vista. So Microsoft has took all of these legacy console applications and put in one single folder called Windows Tools. which you can access the location path here as you can see on the screen. So all these are legacy console applications. Now the second change is that there are curved edges here as you can see. There are curved edges. Here you go. And I personally like it because in Mac OS there's some applications support these curved edges. But in Windows 11 now every application supports it, so that's good. Okay, now I need to show you the taskbar app icon animations. Let's go into taskbar settings here. Oh no, we need to activate our Windows. We can't do that, but uh, we can explore other features. I will show you the animation feature later, but let's explore other features here. Now the file explorer icon has changed. You can see it correctly, guys. The file explorer icon has definitely changed here, as you can see. When you open the file explorer, you know that you would get this new refreshing icons which are 3D look, and the recycle bin has also been changed. The icons, the new Windows search is there. There is new task view, and that news and interest has been shifted to this widgets, and is not available. And these are the only simple features of Windows 11. There are a lot of explore. Let's explore now. Now, the second feature here is that there are some applications installed to it, which are very useful. Now, I removed those applications, so I cannot show to you. But when I installed this VMware for first time, lots of applications were installed, which made the VMware the virtual machine run very laggy. Even it can't boot it to Windows 11, so that's why I uninstalled all those apps. Now it's clean. Now the sticky notes has been also changed here, as you can see. So sticky notes also has been changed here. Now there are some applications here removed from here, such as Internet Explorer is not available in Windows 11 from now. It was actually removed in the Windows 10 Insider Preview build 21390. So if you have the Windows 10 latest Insider Preview, you won't get, but this one won't get. Even if you go to Control Panel, let me show you. Let's go to search. So even if you go to Control Panel here and go to System, let me show you. So when you go to Control Panel and System, it would redirect to Settings app. That is also a feature. Now to get those Windows features, you need to go to the Advanced Settings here, and I think not from here. So we need to go to Settings, Apps, and if we go to those optional features here, if you search for the Internet Explorer here, let me show you. As you can see, the Internet Explorer mode is available, but not the Internet Explorer application. So even if you go to the legacy console application, turn Windows features on or off. Let me open this up as well. Okay, there you go. Now even if you go to turn Windows features on or off, you won't get that Internet Explorer here. See, I'm searching the whole page here, but I'm not getting that Internet Explorer folder, which I can enable the feature if it's there, but it is not available from Windows 11 Pro from now on. So that is also a big change in Windows 11. Some legacy console applications have been removed. Now Microsoft Edge is pre-installed and you can't uninstall it. Even in Windows 10 20 H2 update, Microsoft Edge was pre-installed actually pre-installed into Windows 10. So to remove it, there are some PowerShell commands that you can use and remove, but those commands are useless now because when you update your Windows 11 and reboot and come back to this up, the Microsoft application, Edge application would come back. So Microsoft has put it into the system, and you can't uninstall it actually, even if you try the command prompt as well. Now in the settings application, if we go to the devices option here, there is a new option called cameras which works stable, and it also works well because when I make the review video of Windows 10 inside of preview build 21390, this cameras option in Windows 10 build in 21390 didn't work properly and crashed some PCs, such as blue screen of death or the settings application closed unexpectedly. But now this feature is running stable and smoothly in this leaked build so that you can access it correctly. And in the personalization option, you would get this new option called device usage. This option would also available in Windows 10 build 21390, but this in Windows 11 it works fine and stable. As you can see, when I tick all of this now, when we reboot our computer, it would pin all the apps in the taskbar depending on the applications. So if you have a Netflix application, it would pin it. If you have a gaming application, if you select it there, it will pin. These are the features that would work stably and smoothly in Windows 11. Okay. Okay, yeah. And and there is also some features called, and in the photos application there are some changes here. When we go to photos application, so it is opening now. Here we go. Now when we go to that photos application, there would be some changes. 1 minute. So let me show you that my computer is hanging because that's right. Now in the photos application there is an option called slideshow. Now this option was not available in Windows 10, but this option would be available, but when you select it like this, it won't open any application. Now it works stably and smoothly Windows 11. Okay. Now there are also many more features we can check, but let's check the features outside of the Windows, which means in the advanced boot menu you get the new UI or not, there's a bugs or not. We are gonna explore the features not inside the Windows, in the outside of Windows. So let's go into the outside of Windows by going to settings. We are gonna simply put into advanced boot menu. To do that, go to settings, update and security, click on the recovery option and an advanced setup. Now this option is also available for Windows 10 also. So you need to click on restart now, and it would go into that advanced boot menu, and that advanced boot menu, let's check if there are any new features or any missing features in there as well. So let's wait until it boots to advanced boot menu. Okay, yeah. So it rebooted our computer so that it can boot into advanced boot menu. Let's wait. Okay, yeah. Now it is still booting here, as you can see, guys. Now this is our advanced boot menu. Now there is a one biggest bug of all, which is called this. It needs to tell Windows 11, right? But it is telling Windows 10. What the heck is going on here, man? When you go to troubleshoot and advanced options, here as you can see everything is left the same, there's no change. But this is a very biggest bug of all. It should tell Windows 11, but it is telling Windows 10. I don't know why. I think Microsoft isn't renamed these options. So in command prompt everything is same to same, guys. There is no change in the boot menu as well. But this is the bug. I think this is really a bug. So this option works correctly. If you click on it, it would go into Windows 11. But the strange thing is that it should tell Windows 11 instead of Windows 10. Why it is telling Windows 10? I don't know. I think this is the first build of Windows 11, so hopefully Microsoft would fix that bug in the future. But there is a strange bug in the advanced boot menu. So yeah, and it is booting. Yep, it booted. Now let's go into virtual machine mode. Okay, let's wait for a while. And now let's wait for it until it boots. Okay, we are back in Windows 11. Now, if you go to start menu, everything is same to same, no change. Now, there is this new application called Get Started. If you click on it, it would open this new application. And this application will work correctly. So, let's connect into the internet. Let me connect to the internet, guys. Let's disconnect and connect it. Okay. Okay, let's go here. Okay, in here, let's go into network and internet settings. I think the driver is not installed properly in this virtual machine. Because of that, we can't connect internet right now. But I would show you in my desktop computer now. So let's explore features in desktop in my main computer because it's not network driver installed. So some features we can't see it. So let's shut this down. Okay. Let's come to our desktop. This is our desktop, guys. Okay, this is shut it down. Let's close it up. This is my main computer. In here, I will show you that application. Click on start. Here we go. Get started. As you can see, there is also a bug in this app. Let me show you. As you can see, it is showing that Windows 10 logo. What the hell, man? What is going on here? It is showing that Windows 10 start menu, but we have this Windows 10 start menu. It is not showing Windows 11 start menu. Why, Microsoft? Why? Why are you not? Why are you? Why you are not fixing bugs even in the league build? Oh my god! Oh no! As you can see, guys, there are many bugs in here. It is still showing that Windows 11 can start menu. What the hell, man? There are a lot of bugs in Windows 11, so don't install it. My PC is hanging and crashing when I use many heavy applications. So I wouldn't recommend to install it recently because Microsoft did not fix this bug. So don't install. You could face some issues. So yeah, there are some bugs in Windows 11 that are not fixed even in this leak build. Man, what man? Wow. Now and here there's two new wallpapers introduced in Windows 11. Let me show you in settings app. If you go to settings app and click on the personalization option, in the background section you would get these new wallpapers, the dark one and the light one. I personally like the dark one. As you can see, with the transparent enable on, it is looking so beautiful. The taskbar, blur effects, the start menu, it looks perfect for me. So this app is not loading anything because Windows 11 servers are not set up. So that's why. Okay, now the last thing I need to show you, the last feature in Windows 11 is that in the Microsoft Store, let me open it up. You will get this new loading animation in every Microsoft built-in apps. And the next feature is the last feature here is that the applications here, as you can see, the applications here the font of these Microsoft apps has been changed in this Windows 11 build, and the size of these titles has been also been changed to fit into a smaller screen. If you have a larger screen, it's okay, but if you have a smaller screen, it would fit correctly for you. Okay, so thank you for joining this live stream, guys. If you want to support me even more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video and share it to your friends so that they could also see the latest features of Windows 11 leaked build, and they could also use Windows 11 properly if they install it on their computer. So subscribe, press the bell icon. I would see you in the next live stream. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you very much.